Hi, my name is Shannon, and today we're going to talk about 3 key benefits to working with PPi Technologies Group. Number 1, our customer-centric culture lends itself to quick decisions and flexible dynamic solutions that other companies can't match. We currently hold over 24 patents on key features on the PSG LEE and SN machinery lines alone. Many of these come about through our innovative approach to meeting our customers' needs. With thousands of installs, PPiTG can guarantee OSHA, CE, and USDA standards are met. In fact, PPiTG offers the only USDA 3A certified horizontal form-fill seal machine on the market. Number 2, pre-sale assessment and qualification. Try before you buy. We will run your pouches and product on one of our stock machines and provide a video and written report. Or better yet, come to sunny Florida and see it in person. Your Focus Factory team will design the perfect packaging plan for your specific needs, providing you peace of mind on your decision. Number 3, our after-service sales support. We are proud to be supporting machinery that has been running non-stop for 2 decades, showing our commitment to our clients and their machines. The secret is our seasoned team of service engineers, our 5-star customer service department, and a multi-million-dollar in-house parts supply. PPiTG also supplies products like DocSource, a cloud-based documentation system available 24/7. This and our knowledgeable in-house technical support is always available free of charge to all customers, small and large. We are proud to have customers that have stayed with us for close to 30 years, and you do that by delivering profitable solutions and outstanding customer satisfaction. My name is Shannon, and our team looks forward to providing you with your next packaging line.